forgive you. I give into you. You stole my love, but I forgive you. I give into you. You stole my love, but I forgive you. I give into you. You stole my love, but I forgive you. I
Yo, chat, what's good, man? How we doing? Welcome back, man. How we doing, chat? So, what's good? What's good? What's good? Good morning, everyone. How we doing? What's good, Kata, Noodle Holtz, good Louis? Who's here, man? Come say hi. What is good? Good morning. Alright, man. It should be a good day. I'm excited. So, listen, election day right now. We got big decision going on. Well, not just yet. The Americans are still sleeping, but should be exciting, man. What's good, Triz? What's good, Levi? Yeah, chat. So, that being said, right, what can we see here? Obviously, the daily has reflipped. One drive isn't signed in. That's good. What's good, JJ? Yeah, man. So, the daily has flipped again. You're starting to push up here. The only thing I would say that's interesting here is the 4-hour previously closed below the level. I actually closed respecting somewhat. But obviously you do have a big wick to fill here, but obviously if the daily does want to push up, that shouldn't really matter. Now, again, can we see a little bit of a retracement here? You've grabbed a lot of liquidity from the downside today. The 1 hour looks clean as well, as long as you can close above this area here at 38.4-ish, around there. If you can close above there, chat, you should be good to grab some buys to continue up, in my opinion. Like, I would say it's a little bit higher because of this area here. 27.39 is my area here, pretty much on the dot. So if you can close above there, you should be good to get buys up, and that should take you at least until, I would say, 27.45, if not higher, obviously. But that's what I'm looking for in the immediate future. Obviously, if we can also come back down here and close below 27.5, I think that'd be decent for sells. That might be a bit far down there. Probably have to look for somewhere like, yeah, like here, below 27.32.2 or 31.3, sorry, around that area there. You can close below there. Should be good to fill down, I believe. Yeah, let's make it there. All right, cool. Yeah, otherwise, chat, listen, buys look a little bit nicer right now, I would say. You've got room as well to fill up towards 27.47 if you do get those buys, and then obviously after that we look for some more closures. But for right now, chat, yeah, we're looking at these buys. So all you gotta do here is be patient, stay locked in. Remember, it's election day, right? So you have to be a little bit careful today. And yeah, chat, I'm excited. It'll be a good day. Could be a good day. Other than the fact I've lost my pen. I don't know where I put it. I need to write some stuff down, but there you go. Chat, how was everyone's day yesterday, though? What'd you get? Or what'd you do? What'd you get or what'd you do? Prices look much better. Yeah, they do. They do. I agree. Wow. Interesting chat. So, I can't lie, last night, for the first time in probably like 4 months, I got 10 hours sleep. I literally was working like on my sofa, making some, I was texting some people about some videos and stuff. I just passed out, bro. I was like, oh shit, woke up 10 hours later. It's funny, bro. But I guess you gotta know when you need it, right? Nothing yesterday trading wise. Yeah, it was an interesting day, to be honest, on the charts yesterday. I think it was very difficult to trade. I didn't get any setups. Yeah, I got nothing yesterday. Double it and give it to the next person. Yeah, trust me. I need this pen. Lost it. Oh. What a dub. Found it. Give it to you. Alright. Deal. What's good, Calm? How's it going, man? How's it going, bro? If I take any dubskis during London / pre-NY, I'm not touching the NY shit show, bro. Honestly, New York today is going to be very interesting. Yeah, man. Oh yeah, challenge is up 1% too, as well, chat. That is a good point that Katz has just made. Guys, go into the Discord right now and vote if you haven't already. Kamala gold goes up. Yeah, bro, I know. That's what I'm thinking. Like, I wish. Well, to be fair, all the investment banks and that will already know who's. Well, they would have predicted who's most likely to win just on statistics. And I think they. Who was it? Oh, the CEO of Citadel, the huge hedge fund, said that he thinks Trump's going to win. That Citadel think Trump are going to win. Obviously, you can never trust what they say, right? Because they lie to get their positions, you know, to get better positions. But you know. Anyway, yeah, the prop firm challenge that we're doing as a team is currently 1% up. But you got to go in here. Make sure you drop a vote on this poll right here in the Discord, because I need to see when I'm taking the trade. 4 votes for London, bro. XQC bet 700k on Kamala. Bro, I've got not 700k, but I've got a little poly market bet for like, I don't know, $300 or something on Kamala. Can't lie. I think Trump's gonna win, or I think Trump should win, but yeah. Interesting. I reckon they rigged that shit. I can't lie. But chat, look, you're pushing up here. Hopefully you can see a closure above in about 18 minutes time. I'm actually up so much on that bet. I was trying to cash out yesterday, but I couldn't log into the account. Not cash out, but I was trying to see my position. I think I'm up like 30% or something on that Kamala Harris position on poly market. Yeah, very interesting. Chat, you got a 15-minute close here in 2 minutes as well. Let me just write this down real quick. Just remember what I need to do. Stop loss BE on Kamala position. Bro. Might start trailing stops. Yeah, when is the election starting? Nice. Alright. That's what I need to do today. Perfect. Alright, cool. So, what's good, Bad Dog? What's good, KB as well? How we doing, man? So, chat, you got 2 minutes here to this 15-minute close. Hopefully, you can see a push up here. Obviously, you're looking for a closure above very shortly. Chat, it's been a good quarter for us so far. I can't lie. It's been a good quarter. Thing is, well, not the thing is, but we've got no trades yet in November, which is completely fine. And I feel like we might not until after. Well, not we might not. If we don't get anything in London, I don't know. New York's going to be interesting, but I think it's going to be super choppy. I've got a feeling just because of this, there's going to be a lot of hype around the election, right? But there's obviously no decision here, so yeah. Also, chat, you'll notice I'm wearing a really nice sweater here, like unbelievably nice. I don't know if you guys have seen. But yeah, man. Oh, look at that, man. Make sure you guys get the merch. Oh, not the merch. Get the clothing brand when it comes out. No, not November. Lasted longer than no trade. Insane. Yeah, gang. The samples are being made. Right, the second sample's being made. I'm having it changed. So this right here on the new hoodies is going to be stitched. It's going to be embroidered on. It's going to be sick. And then yeah, on the back it's gonna be the same, but I'm fired up, man. They should be ready relatively soon. I'm going to Italy next week to pick up the samples, and then yeah, vote start in the UK time at 10 a.m. Bro, I thought they'd already started though. I thought there was like early voting or some shit. I saw some videos of like one in California voting, and he basically this guy gave a fake name and a fake like date of birth and everything. And they were like, okay. Was the last of the rallies? I don't know, bro. This guy was definitely voting in the video. Or maybe he was registering to vote. I don't know. Anyway, chat, 15-minute close here. You closed respecting the level, which is interesting. It doesn't really mean too much, though. You've got an hourly close here in about another 14 minutes. Not gonna lie, if you do close above here, I would need a top wick, right? I'd need it to push up a little bit further and then pull back. 4 hours not the nicest, to be honest. That 4 hours does not look good. But the rest of it looks good, to be fair. So as long as we can get that hourly close, I'll be okay taking buys to push up. And yeah, we'll see. What's good, Max? Good, what's good, what's good? Whoa. Yeah, I might put an offer on a new house today. It's exciting as fuck. Yeah, man. Congrats. Thank you, brother. I mean, not to buy, to be fair. I'm just going to rent for the meantime until I buy one, but still. I got too much money in this gym right now to be able to buy a house, but there you are. Killing it, SGA. Thank you, Max. Yeah, just for the meantime, I'll probably rent it. What's good, Casperio? Welcome. Welcome back, bro. Hi, life. Good morning. But yeah, this place is sick. I'm super excited. It's also a 3-bed, right? So I'm going to get one, like, obviously main bedroom. I'm going to turn one of the bedrooms into an office. And then I might even turn one into, like, a studio. I don't know. Unless Mrs. wants a room, probably, then we'll leave that for her. But I don't know. Yeah, man. Exciting times, though. And chat, also, about the gym, I saw some new buildings yesterday. But I'm not gonna lie, one of them was so cool. I don't really want to spoil it just yet, because I want to make a video about it, but... yeah, one of these buildings was sick. Basically, like, you go down under the ground, so it feels like you're in a cave. I kind of did just spoil it, but there you go. Like, you would feel like you're in a cave in the gym. So you, like, walk in on the main floor, like rooms, and then yeah, there's like, bro, you go down these like stairs, they're like a spiral stairs, and then yeah, like some underground gym. Would be fucking sick, bro. Swear to God, I'm flying out to work out with you once you get a gym. Calm, you gotta pull up, bro. I tell you what, the amount of people that said they're gonna fly out once the gym's like, you know, real. We'll do like a huge open day, and then yeah, we're like, bro, anyone from the YouTube or from the Discord or whatever is welcome at any time. 100%. We'll definitely make it so sick. I'm excited. What's good, Jan? How's it going, bro? Good, what's good? Alright, chat, 10 minutes here. 10 minutes to the close. Burnt my tongue on my coffee, which is ideal. Whoa. Alright, perfect. Are you back in the US now or not? On the longest Europe trip ever. Yeah, this could be so clean though. If we can close above here, leave a top wick, we'll definitely have some buys off a wick entry. I don't see why you wouldn't tap. To be fair, you should tap at least 27.43, right? But past that, 47's not bad. Yeah, spent Thanksgiving in Thailand last year. Wasn't gonna miss out twice. Yeah, fair play, bro. W, bro. When is Thanksgiving? Am I stupid? $28th. I don't know. Not trading this morning due to the US. Just learning how price action moves in these conditions. Then trade this afternoon. Yeah, it's not a bad idea, KB. Not a bad idea. I think, to be honest, by the looks of it so far, it looks normal. But obviously, that could change at any single second, which is the main thing that you have to worry about. Good, Nathaniel. How's it going, bro? What's good, man? Asia March? Yeah, huge. But I wish... I had such a big debate in my head yesterday between actually doing this gym or like just going and living abroad, because obviously the original goal was just the original plan was to go abroad and just live somewhere nice. But now obviously if I'm going to do this, I have to stay for like at least a year or so. Which, I mean, I believe it'll be worth it, but at the same time, interesting. It'll pay off, bro. Yeah, 100%, bro, but come to Oz. Yeah, I actually would go to Oz at some point, to be fair. I've got a lot of friends in Australia, so at one point I'll have to pull up. Now you got to do this, bro. Yeah, I know. Oh, now you go. I got this. Sorry, I read that wrong. Yeah, bro. Once it's set up, obviously I'll entrust it to you, but set it up and shit first. SG making big moves and setting new standards. Hey, thank you, KB. I'm trying, man. I'm trying. I don't want to be one of those traders that just relies on only trading. I think it's so stupid. I see so many people do it as well. Like, people that have apparently made X amount off props and shit, and then they're still buying prop firms. It's like, right. We're not buying props. Like, it's still fine to buy props, but I mean, like, their main income is only prop firms. You know what I mean? It's like, bro, trading is so inconsistent. You have to diversify, and obviously, very hands-on with trading. You know, it's like there's zero passiveness about it. You have to be on the charts. You have to be focused. Whereas, you know, if you can set up a decent business or real estate or whatever it is, yeah, you gotta diversify, in my opinion. But look, chat, you're pushing up here. I really do need to see a pullback, to be honest. We can leave a wick. Yeah, in 6 minutes time, chat, you got a closure here. So if you can leave a wick and push back up. By the way, where is everyone today? I wonder if the elections is playing with, I don't know, something. Once you make enough, start to diversify and bring in passive income. Yeah, bro, like, it's also so much easier to trade once you have like a different income source. Because you don't have to worry about fucking rent or whatever, you know? Like, imagine if you had to make 50 pips, like, by the end of the week to make rent. Like, yeah. For me, once I've made enough, I want to buy properties in different countries and have a manager to manage them. Bro, I was looking at this, so I was looking the other week for properties in Dubai. I'm tempted to buy somewhere there. Because I wouldn't buy in the UK, I don't think. Because it's just too shit. It's shit, they tax you if you're a landlord, loads of stuff. Anyway. But yeah, for like 150, you can get a decent 2-bed apartment in like a skyscraper. And then They rent out for like 700 a week, 600 a week or something. On like Airbnb. Which should like easily pay your payments, right? Ah, you're ripping here. Can we pull back? Are you concerned about the rejection at 2741.7? What, here? Or where are you looking, man? I think every time you close up here, you've tapped into it as a minimum 2745. Just need a pullback here, chat. You got 4 minutes to the closure. The 5-minute close, basically no top wick. You did make another high here, which is good, but you do need to see a pullback. I need to see some form of bearish closure. Not bearish closure, but bearish movement downwards. Most recent. This. Yeah, but even when you did that, you still tapped into 2745, right? 2744.8. Like, every time you're still tapping into these levels up here. And also, I'm not really concerned, because look at the daily. Like, the daily is breaking its own high. It's super bullish. 1 hour, 4 hours, not the best, but at the same time, you're pushing very heavily. You grabbed a lot of liquidity on the hourly. You did sweep the lows as well down here. You look very good to continue up, chat, but it's just, can we get this entry here? This is classic gold, though. I feel like, chat, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like today is gonna be one of those days where you get very, very, not frustrated, but yeah, I guess a little bit frustrated with gold. Is there any actual news today or not? Like any red folders? Obviously, you got the election all day. No, there's not. Okay. Interest. Oh, yeah, there is PMI, sorry, at 3 o'clock. I missed that. PMI at 3. Tomorrow's FOMC? No, it's Thursday. FOMC's Thursday, no? Which is 2 days from now. Interesting, chat. Yeah, who do you think is going to win the election, though, chat? Don't put his full name. Put D for Donald, K for Koala. I don't want to get us shadow banned by putting the T word. Joe Rogan. Joe Rogan's... Bro, if Joe Rogan ran for president, I feel like he'd have a very decent chance. SG. Bro, SG for president. One day. Yeah, Elon Musk, bro. But that guy, it's sad. He can't even run. Is it Rogan? Very easy. One of the Rogans. Rogan Josh. Right, chat. The Rock ran for president? Bro, what? An insane take. An insane take. I'm not gonna lie. I think RFK would have been a good president. He should run again, but not as an independent. Because there's no chance you win as an independent. It just doesn't work. I don't think we're going to get a pullback here. Gold's just doing that thing where it just slowly trends upwards. I hate it when it does this so much. Like, no wicks. It just, like, no volume either. It just steadily pushes upwards. Gonna vote SG for president. He can get us the insider trading. Bro. If I got elected... Actually, no. I can't, well, yeah. I can't get elected, so I can say this. Best believe, in the Discord, I'd be dropping some next level hints. Like... Be like, chat, it might not be a bad time to buy some oil right now. You guys would be like, oh shit. Stack up a fat position. Alright, chat, listen, lock it in here. Let me open my broker real quick. 1 sec. Got 22 seconds, chat. Question is, can we leave a top wick and can we push down for a bottom wick after we close? Let's see. We're very close to the close here. I'd want a bigger bottom wick, to be honest. Doable, chat. You need to come down and tap into 27.39 though. Realistically, that's what you need. You'll be president for a day? Yeah, but you're rich as fuck. Yeah, chat, you broke the high here. It's very tough. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. All presidents do that. And all congressmen and senators or whatever. I don't know which one it is. One of them. Let's believe I'd open the Nancy Pelosi School of Trading. I'd make her run classes and shit. You guys would be on whop.com/trendlines and just be like, webinar, Nancy Pelosi, how to trade. Step number 1, go into Congress, figure out what contracts they're going to award to what companies. Step 2, invest in those companies. Step 3, take profit. Easy, right? Too easy. Yeah, I can't take anything here, right? Firstly, if you were going to take off the rip, stops would be like over 100 pips. Secondly, you broke the high here. You need to come down. What I need to see now is I need to see a tap into like 39 again before we do anything. Hopefully you could get like a tap into 39 on like the 15-minute. Close down here, and then once you like grab a bottom wick and flip back up, we can take some buys to continue. But until that point, chat, it gets very difficult. Nancy Pelosi signals, they would hit so hard, bro, yeah. But yeah, chat. I wonder, so voting starts in an hour, right? Wanted to KB. Yeah, what's Polymarket saying? Take a look. Oh shit. No. Yeah, my position took a hit overnight. I'm still in profit, but it took a little hit here. I think I bought in at Kamala at 33 cents. I'm still in profit, but if only I could have logged in yesterday and taken profit. I really don't want her to win, right? But at the same time, I want my bet to come in, so I don't know. Look at these states, man. California, 1%. That's tough as well, because California's a huge state, right? I've got Texas. How does Montana only have 4 electoral votes, but it's so big? This is tiny. Bro, this fascinates me. This country's very, very weird. Maine? Bro, I feel sorry for the ones. Actually, yeah, if you voted for Biden to win, right, you just got rug pulled. Just 0% right now. What's Oregon percentage? Where the fuck is Oregon? Ohio. Oregon. 8 electoral votes. Bro, 98% Harris. Interesting. What's good, Mia there? Good morning. I found it. Don't worry. Yeah, I'm not too sure about that one. No, I reckon we'd have a very decent chance of becoming president if, like, I was American. All you have to do is just pay. Well, first you need money, right? But once you got the money, all you have to do is just pay every single celebrity. Because for some reason, Americans like to choose their political or the presidential candidate off celebrities. I don't know why. But if Cardi B says you're a good president, then it must mean you're a good president, eh? That shit's so funny to me, bro. That's how you know Americans are retarded, bro. You're telling me Kamala Harris got a former stripper who admitted to drugging and, you know, abusing men. He got her up on her rally to say vote for me. That is insane. I would die for Cardi B noodle hots. That is next level. That is next level. You really have people thinking she's black when she's Indian. That's the craziest thing, bro. The best thing though, I absolutely love them, is like the videos about her accent switches. She changes accent depending on where she is. Like, bro, that is like one of the most racist things I've ever seen. If Trump was doing that, he'd get in so much shit, bro. Like, go to a black neighborhood and start speaking in like slang and stuff, and then go to like a country neighborhood and start speaking with a country accent. It's crazy. How's that like, bro? I'm surprised she didn't go to Chinatown and do the same shit. Weird country, yeah, 100%, bro, 100%. Such a strange land. Probably get a pass if you went to the hood. Yeah, I actually feel like that, I'm not gonna lie. Now, you know what I saw today, though? Apparently, Kamala's running... I'm not trying to do propaganda or some shit, but it just highlights that, like, how fucked the presidential race is, right? They have the same adverts, but depending on what state they air it in, it's like... So, she was having one advert which was pro-Palestine and one pro-Israel, but they aired it in different states. So, like, in a majority Muslim state, there were pro-Palestine ads, and then in a majority Jewish state, they were pro-Israel. It's just so crazy, bro. I think they may have rigged the election, but I think so too. That's why I got £250 on Kamala winning. I think Cardi B advocate for you almost had me thinking they're intentionally throwing away the vote to lose. Bro. Remy, you think that, yeah, but I can't even lie. Remy, that actually probably worked on a lot of people, I can't lie. Like, a lot of Americans probably would have seen Cardi B and go, oh my god, and like voted, gone like, yeah, I'm gonna vote for her. Like, bro. She locked up a lot of people for weed, then goes and gets interviewed by the NBA players saying she thinks it should be legalized. Bro, it's so funny. She, like, Didn't she locked up so many people for weed and then got interviewed and then she laughed about the fact that she smoked weed in college or some shit. So funny. Anyway, chat. That was our 9 a.m. politics. I don't know, schedule. Now, back onto the charts. Now listen, if you can push down here towards 27.39, we can look to get some buys off the retracement, right? I do think we continue up here. I don't think this is like where we're going to just reverse. I believe you should tap into 27.46 as a minimum, right? Once you do that, obviously we'll look to see if we're going to reject or not. But I do think we've got room still to push up. So if you can grab the retracement, like I said, get some nice bearish closures, and yeah, then we'll get some buys to come back up. Yeah, I read some crazy shit last night about shadow governments. Roll videos in California show everything. I'm just trying to make money off whoever wins. Yeah, the real talk. It doesn't matter who wins. You just got well, it does, but you just got to adapt either way. I actually made a TikTok about this like a week ago. Like if Trump wins, you can be way more bullish on stocks, Bitcoin, crypto, oil, all that type of shit. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. If Kamala wins, I'm very tempted to stick like 10k into some pharmaceutical stocks. Just find like Pfizer, like just go long as fuck. Because you know they're just gonna pump that shit up. Also, weapons companies, right? They're gonna send a shitload to Ukraine again. Get out the dollar as well, like 100% short the dollar. Bro. Yeah, in the weapons, bro. Honestly. Just like, you just see Northrop Grumman and like Boeing stock just go crazy. Lockheed Martin, all that shit. I'm not gonna lie though, I was thinking about this yesterday. This is a very interesting point. If you have a government that's like making your country weaker, it's obviously shit, right? But at the same time, it will help you stand out. Like if you're an American, I feel like, and obviously don't get me wrong, I've never been, but like you're gonna have so many people that are just like complete degenerates, like, you know, slave mind type shit. So if you just lock in a little bit, it's gonna set you aside from the competition a lot more. I mean, there will be a war eventually, right? Because there will need to be, but yeah. You're ripping up here. Literally nothing I can do right now. We have to wait for one side of the range to get tapped into here because I don't like positions in the middle of the range. We discussed this the other day, but if you're in the middle of the range, you can go anywhere, right? Obviously, we can look to take some sells if we do tap into this level here, depending on what we do, how we react. Obviously, the 4-hour close is coming in about 50 minutes here as well, which is very important. Daily's got a wick fill here, which is coming up to fill, to be honest. You've got a level here on the daily at 27.45. And then at 27.49 as well. So those are two areas where we might reject. Otherwise, just have to see here, chat. I've got a very strong feeling we might just range, to be fair. Like, the election results come out, what, tomorrow, right? The election results come out tomorrow, then, you know, we probably have to wait until that happens for us to make a big move. Oh, bro, don't get me started on the UK government. That's like, I would say that's probably worse. The UK is fucked. That's why I'm, you know, debating whether or not to do this gym, because I just know you're gonna get shafted by the government, and like taxes here are just insane, bro. Taxes are ridiculous, especially now because they don't like small businesses. This left-wing government does not like small businesses for some reason. So they're just gonna shaft you the moment you start making taxable income. That 15-minute closed here, bullish towards the top of the range. Most likely, you're just gonna see a continuation here. I can't take anything right now. You've got essentially a very strong area, exactly where we close, right? 27.45, like I just said, on the daily time frame, is a strong area here. So, you know, once you tap into there, you could do anything. You might start to reject. Who knows? You've also only got like 20 or 17 pips towards the top of the range. Yeah, because big corporations pay more. Yeah, but bro, this government was formed off the fact of like working people, you know? Not like big companies. So they should just tax the companies heavier, but obviously they can't. What's good, Viking? How's it going, bro? Cash only gym, bro. Don't get me started. Yeah, the thing is, like, if you have a big corporation, it's impossible to tax them. Like, you can't raise taxes on big companies, and you can't. You also can't like restrict them too much, because they just leave. Like it happened in the past. You see companies like Starbucks and Apple and shit like that, they'll just go and move their head office somewhere else. They don't give a fuck. Got to watch my first election day on gold. Yeah, same here, bro. I'm excited to see. Definitely need to load up the news after stream, to be fair. Actually, not the news, but some shit. So, but I wonder what Cryptomaniac's preference is for this election. Yeah, KB, but it's not even just that as well. Like, obviously, you actually can tax the dividend upstream a little bit, but not much. But main thing is, like I said, they'll just leave. They can just relocate wherever they want and then just do offshore business. But even though the parent companies aren't in this country, they'll also relocate their actual company as well. It happens so many times. Just straight up bull, not even human anymore. Bro. Yeah, I actually... Like, should I put a signal out? Just buy Bitcoin now. Fucking, I actually love talking about politics though. I know it's like not good for the stream and it might bore some of you guys, but like, bro, we used to do politics a lot in school, and shit's so interesting. Man, get a property where you can rent a few rooms so I can move in. Bro, like I said, bro, the house that I'm putting an offer in on today is 3-bed, right? So yeah, you guys can pull up. You guys can pull up. Mummy o'clock? Oh no, KB. Surely it's a little bit early, no? They're still on the school run. Well, actually, they're probably just finishing. It's hilarious that you've timed your gym session for top tier, mate. Absolutely top tier. That's it. What's good, Prestige? Yeah, got 10 minutes here till a 30-minute close. Question is, can you see... I guess we need to tap into 27.47 now before I can do much. But once you tap into that, obviously, if you close no top wick, we'll take some sells. Crypto pricing in a Trump win? I don't know, bro. I don't think that's... Yeah, I mean, it is pricing in a little bit, don't get me wrong, but I don't think it's that priced in yet. So you can hold this fucking long that you took for like infinity. Extend that TP to at least like 73k. At least, bro. I think we see gold drop if Trump wins, though. I think a lot of people are going to want to be involved in the US economy, right? Whether it's holding dollars or actually stocks, like, you know, American companies. I don't have a hard TP, won't be this morning, but though. Oh, got diamond hands that shit, no? What do you mean it never retested the election day price? Like where it was on election day? So what, if you just bought on every election day, you'd be fine and it never retested it? When was the last election day? 2020... November? Oh yeah, I guess. Yeah, it was like here, right? Yeah, you never came down to test it. Interesting. Very interesting. Good, Matt. How's it going, bro? Yo, chat. Yesterday, Matt sent me some sick locations for the Trendlines meetup. So, we're gonna have to do that sometime in February, I think. Sometime in Feb, we'll do some sick, like, bro, like an actual event. What country? Yeah, UK. UK, bro. You can come to the motherland. You have to pull up, man. I will say, yeah, good stuff. Bro, realistically, hopefully I have my gym set up by that time. And if we have the gym set up, we'll probably do it there. Obviously, like, you know, do whatever I want. Fucking sick. Like a chess sesh? Yeah, bro. Like, imagine. Could realistically just, like... Firstly, there'll be, like, office space and shit in there, so we can do trading seminars. Also, just, like, close the gym for the day and just have, like... Fucking... I don't know, we'll get, like, a catering van, do food. And then we'll go, I guess, somewhere for dinner, maybe later in the afternoon or in the evening. Bro, it could be sick. Probably come for a week. Yeah, you're chilling. That could be so sick though. I'm super excited about that. Do like competitions and shit. Yeah, like it's not all gonna be gym focused, but you know what I mean, like trading competitions or whatever. Will be, not could be. Yeah, true. Nah, definitely will be sick. Trying to think what else we could do, like. Yeah, man. Yeah, oh, bro, true. Have one of those screens up in the gym, like Wall Street, showing the pips, everything's up or down. Bro. Yeah. No way, Matt, if it can be hired, that's sick. We'll definitely do that. Yeah, crypto, that'd actually be so fucking cool. That's such a shout. Gym and trading center. Yeah, I'm trying to do that, to be fair. Do people use that space to escape, stuff like that? Yeah, maybe. Probably wouldn't have it in the main gym floor, just have it like in the office or some shit. I don't know. Imagine taking a fat L then turning up in charts everywhere. Yeah, that is true. That's a very good point. Could just motivate you, to be fair. Like, imagine it's like the squat rack's here, and above you on the wall in front of you like that is like some big chart, and it specifically just shows your position that you lost. It just says like fucking, I don't know. It says like Kata is down 50 pips for the day, and it's just like, oh shit. Name and shame type shit. Infinite pre, yeah, that's the forbidden pre-workout. Or cry in the bathroom, yeah, true. Nah, but I got some really cool ideas. Just need to get this building locked down, and then we're go time. How are the viewings? Bro, so there's 2 that I want right now. Actually, there's 3, right? There's 3 that I want. I put an offer in on 2 of them. I'm gonna put another offer in on the final one today. They're all with different people, so they don't know that I've offered on all of them. But one that I saw one of the ones that I saw yesterday was fucking sick, to be honest. It needs a lot of work doing, but my vision for it is insane. Vision for it is so fucking cool. Like, yeah. Like I said, so you walk in like this, there's like office, and then you go down this like spiral staircase, and then you're down in like underground basically, in this like warehouse thing. So like you feel like you've gone down into like the bat cave basically, and then yeah, like it'd all be dark but like lit up obviously, bro. But then it's actually not underground, because the way it works is like it's on a hill. There actually is still like a big shutter door out the back. That makes sense. So like it feels like you're underground but you're not, and then in the summer when it got hot obviously you could still open that back door. Bro, I'm telling you. Gonna be so fucking sick. I'm not gonna lie, this guy yesterday who I went to show, like the estate agent or whatever, was so fucking condescending. Because obviously, like, I'm 23. I actually like had a dig at him at the end because he was being a prick. So he was basically like, bro, he said some shit about my age, and then like, do you have anyone who's like, oh, he said something about like, is your dad doing this or some shit, and I was like, actually no. And then, but bro, he pissed me off so much. By the end, he was like, I literally just was like, all right, tell the landlord I'll pay the whole thing up front in cash if you want. I've got enough money. And he was like, oh, okay. Obviously, I'm not gonna pay it up front in cash, but I just wanted to tell that guy to fuck off. Chat, I'm just saying, I've never seen SG and Batman in the same room. Now bro's building a bat cave. Yeah, bro. You might see me. I just need a black, I don't know, decked out car out the front, and then it, you know, confirmed. That's good, JD. Also known as a bellend, yeah. True. Chat, 30-minute closing here. Closing like weak bullish by the looks of it. Or might even close bearish, which is interesting. I've got nothing here, chat, to be honest. Like, especially with the 30 closing the way it is. Can't take sells yet because of the way we're pushing up, right? I think this could just be a retracement. with the 30 closing like this. Oh. I mean, look, hopefully we get this tap into 27.39 that I'm looking for, because that, I think, is going to be our liquidity grab to push back up. But obviously, until that happens, chat, there's not much I can do. Yeah, but what is it about age? Like, why do people think just because you're young, like, you know nothing? So weird. Such a weird concept to me. Anyway, chat, 30-minute closed here. Bottom wick first. You start to push up as well. Interesting. What are you going to do here? Because the 1 hour did just flip down. A lot of indecision, to be honest, chat. Also, like, no volume as well right now. I feel like we could be waiting for New York for, like, a mega move. Chat, imagine, like, everyone's expecting this crazy New York session, super volatile, and it just doesn't even move at all. Like, nothing. The most anticlimactic thing. Impossible? Yeah. I mean, we'll see, right? Yep. Alright, cool. 1 hour flip down here, chat. 1 hour flip down. What are we going to do? Like I said, once you can tap into that level, you should be good to drive back up. I mean, like, I do really want to see that level get retested. Obviously, the 4 hour closes in 27 minutes here, so we do need to wait for that. In terms of the 4 hour chat, though, what I'd look for, to be honest, is probably want to see anything close above 27.40 on the dot, pretty much 40.5. Once you can close above there, you should be able to test, to be honest, 27.45 was the area, but you should be able to test into 27.46, right? Around there. Maybe we're going for a lower low again. Yeah, potentially, bro. Potentially. I just think, to be honest, like, I think you're just going to range here between these two areas, to be honest. Like, I think you're just in a bit of a range. Because, like, you made a breakout, you close back into a range, right? Once you zoom out, it actually just looks like this. Yeah? I don't think that, to be honest, like I said, I don't think we're going to make a big move until the election. Till the results, at least. It's also very weird how the 4 hours deciding to move right now. But, obviously, you did close respecting that level earlier, 27.31. So, like, if you wanted to get sells on the 4 hour, that's where I'd be looking. 1 hour's pushing down as well. Very interesting. Very, very interesting chat. But yeah, these are the 4 hour levels. I'm going to leave this on for right now because I think, obviously, as the 4 hours closing, that's the most important thing. But yeah, chat. I think everyone's super locked in today. Everyone's either like super nervous or super, I don't know, gambly. I think you're going to see a lot of people with blown accounts today, to be honest. Like, the anticipation, the excitement to make cash and everything that I've seen from people, you know, saying that this is going to be like the big printing day and everything, I think you're going to see a lot of blown accounts. You might see a lot of people as well with big profits, but for every person who makes, you know, 20% today, there's going to be like at least 10 people who blew their accounts. People are going nuts with it, yeah. Like insanely. Alright, 5-minute close here. You start to push down. Come down here and test into like 27.38. Interested to see how the 4-hour closes. My broker will reduce leverage for this NY session? No way. Broker's that? I think that's to save them some money as well, though, because people will full margin and like get it right. Oh, okay. Mr. Eugene, what's good? We find out today what voting stops. Actually don't know. When does voting start? Probably tonight, right? Voting hours. Take a look, chat. That doesn't really help me out, to be fair. Bro, what? In 2020, the results came out 4 days after the first polls closed. Whoa. I smell something fishy there. It took 4 days for them to announce Biden as the winner, but it took literally like a couple of hours for them to announce Trump as the winner the election before. Don't know if I'm being Mr. Conspiracy Man over here or what, but that is definitely interesting, bro. I can't lie. No shot, bro. That is insane. Has Hillary conceded? Yeah, but didn't she concede when it was already like 90% of the votes in? Yeah, we are going to win so big. They had to process the mail-in ballots. Yeah, maybe. That's true, to be fair. All right. They have mail-in ballots this year as well.
We've got passion, we've got determination.
No, not the advert. It got me.
Win so much, you may even get tired of winning, and you'll say, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore. Mr. President, it's too much. And I'll say, no, it isn't. We have to keep winning. We have to win more. We're going to win more. We're going to win so.
Fucking, I can't. Every morning, we gotta play that till everyone's sick of it. That is such a good vibe. That is such a vibe. Alright chat, 5 minutes closing here. You're closing down towards the bottom of this range, which is good. Tapping into this level, no bottom wick as well. Might see a push up here. How do I put that as my alarm? I don't know, there's definitely a way you can change it. I'm already sick of it. No, bro, you can't be. You can't be, JJ. Unfortunately, I'm not sick of it yet, so you have to suffer through it. Please, Mr. President, it's too much winning. Bro, it's so funny because some of the stuff he says is like type of shit you'd say to your boys, you know? Like, I would definitely, that's definitely like a conversation I would have had with my boys as like a sarcastic joke or some shit, you know? Like, the link into the Discord, just type in "we're gonna win so much." It's the first thing that comes up. Interesting chat. So look at that, the 5 no bottom wick at the level played out again. Very interesting. Obviously I can't take anything just yet though, because I mean it's not enough for me, right, just to take that 5. But I mean it would be if we hadn't already pushed up, right? If we had no top wick there, we would have been in there like swimwear. Maybe the 30 you could have taken it off of. But I don't like that previous closure. But listen, 4-hour close coming in about 18 minutes here, chat. So what I'm going to see is, I'd love to see a closure like basically where we are right now, to be honest. Bottom wick. Realistically, if your bottom wick taps into 27.38 at least, then you could be in there. Looking at these previous rejection levels, right? 27.38 is not a bad area. We could be in there. Stops wouldn't be too big. They'd be like 70 pips. And then, yeah, you should see a continuation up after that. Otherwise, yeah, I'm not going to lie, we'll wait for New York, right? But New York's going to be an interesting one. New York is going to be an interesting one. Voting starts in 20 minutes as well, apparently. Wait, is that possible? Oh. The micro matrix attack right there for a second, and we're back. Yeah, bro, send the link to whatever site you're using for updates, please. For the US election, bro, I actually haven't even looked. I just Googled it, to be honest. I don't trust any of these, but we'll have a look. Yeah, 10 p.m. GMT. Interested. Okay, polling stations close between midnight and 6 a.m. GMT tomorrow. Interesting. You good, bro? Alright, so look, what just happened here? Did you start to push up here? Yeah, 30 came up towards a flip. That 5-minute no bottom wick is just a killer every time. The absolute killer. So 15-minute closing as well here in about 40 seconds. Question is, how do we want to close on the 4-hour? Because if you do close nicely here, you can see some continuation up. But obviously, it really does depend on that closure. If you close below 27.40, you're most likely going to see that push back down, actually, having made lower lows and lower highs. much I can say right now. It's literally pretty much no volume. 15-minute did close bearish though, which is interesting. Next one's starting to push. You rejected the flip on the 30. Not sure why. Looks like price is making lower high and lower low. Yeah, it does, to be fair, but on the 1 hour and everything, on the most recent, you are actually just making, well, you're ranging, to be honest. Especially because you swept the lows too. Like, you're most likely going to tap into the top of the range. Unless you do want to push down, right? But we'll see. We'll see, chat. There's a lot of potential here either way, so stay locked in. But we just need this 4-hour close. If you can get basically a 1 hour close bearish, we can also look for the sells too if it's below 27.40, right? Below there, we can look to take some sells, definitely. Yeah, we're ripping down right now, though, which is very interesting. Are you happy with your spreads currently? Yeah. Yeah, they're chilling. My spreads are good. What's good there, Aaron? Welcome, man. Yeah. Chat, 30 minutes, still no top wick, really. Starting to push down here. Yeah, like, on the 30, it's obviously... On the lower time frames, you are actually trending upwards here. Obviously, that doesn't mean too much, but... It's still important to note. 12 minutes to the 4 hour close, though, is not long. Night time? Oh, no. Mr. Sniper's back. All right, wishing you every success with the new gym project. Hey, thank you, Aaron. I appreciate that, bro. It means a lot, man. Yeah, it's going to be a long journey. Like, I don't think it's going to be complete for a long time, but part of the journey, right? To be honest, the reason why I started that project is just because I wanted to invest my money somewhere. I wanted to start a business, like another one. I think probably beneficial to do it in something you know quite a lot about. And obviously, like, having trained at fucking loads of gyms, I always thought that, like, there was not one perfect gym. Like, nothing, nowhere had everything that I wanted. So I just want to make somewhere that has, you know, the best experience for the actual, you know, customer. And also, I think it'd be fun as fuck. Like, it'd be so fun. But yeah, 5 minute closing below here by the looks of it. Yeah, starting to push down. Question is, yet again, what are we going to do here on the 4 hour? Technically, even if you close above this level here at 27.39, you should still be good for buys, right? But obviously a lot weaker, to be honest, if the 4 hour closes there than if it closes like somewhere up here. But let's see, 10 minutes here, start to lock it in. There's definitely a lot of potential right now. It's just waiting for that position to form is very, very important here. Yeah, 5-minute close below. Next 5 minutes pushing up top wick first. Obviously, once this flips, you probably see a push down here. But you did come to retest that 27.39 level that I was looking to retest, right? So now that you've retested that, you might see a push back up. Chat, look, can we get to 50 likes on today's stream today? I appreciate you guys very, very much for pulling up. It means a lot. And yeah. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you go check out the new vlog. I've got another one coming out on Friday, obviously, since they are weekly vlogs. This next one's going to be pretty interesting, to be fair. I'm excited for it. Excited for it. But yeah. Make sure you keep up to date, because it's like a series now. I'm trying to do it like a story, so you guys can follow along with my life. You have to watch last episode so that you understand the next episode, you know what I mean? But yeah. Pushing back up here, chat. Very, very interesting. Only 8 minutes now to the 4-hour close. Like I said, if you close like this and you can grab a decent bottom wick, you should be good to go, chat. I don't see why not. Yeah, look at this 5 pushing up without any bottom wick, so it still could flip at any point, to be fair. But just really weird price action at the minute, chat. Like everything's closing no wick, pushing no wick. Very weird. Check out the Fit Active business model now that you visit Italy. I created a franchise and opened 100+ gyms all over Italy. Bro, JJ, I'm not gonna lie. I haven't seen Fit Active, but what I do know is gyms in Italy are shit. They're so expensive. And shit. Like, honestly, can't lie. I've been to like 10 different gyms in Italy trying to find one that's decent. And they're all like crazy expensive or really bad quality. Like, the cheapest gym that I found in Florence was €100 a month. And it was basically like pure gym in the UK, like same quality level. I was like, what? How is that possible? So genuinely, I think once this gym gets up and running and we get a few in the UK, it's gonna be Italy. It's gonna be my next target. Yeah, maybe, bro. I don't know. I was just thinking like city center, like in Florence, basically. There's just nothing. And Milan too, I couldn't find anything either. Check it out, yeah, I will do, bro. Bit active. On top of their monopoly? Yeah, trust me. I can't lie, yeah, one of the guys that like owns Ultraflex, he just opened a gym in Athens as well, which is crazy to me. That's definitely in the pipeline down the line. I definitely want to go like worldwide with it. Get one in like, I don't know, definitely one in Italy, Dubai maybe, Bali. Yeah, 27.38 is exactly where I'm looking forward to. I think we'll get that on the next open, to be fair. I think you'll get that on the open, depending on where you close, though. If we close like this, chat, I'm not going to probably look for buyers, if I'm honest. Every continent? Yeah, that'd be sick. Ideally, I want to do every major city. Obviously, that's very ambitious, but very possible. Tokyo, fucking, I guess, where? Milan? Paris? Nah, not Paris, fuck that. French people even use gyms? I don't think I've ever seen a gym in France. Apart from the south of France, I saw one. I don't think I've ever seen a gym in France. Speaking of Athens, what's good, Mark? What's good, bro? 4 minutes here. 4 minutes to the 4-hour close. Doing good, how about you? Chilling, bro. Look at this, you're pushing down there quite a bit, chat. But let's see what we can do. Chat, by the way, New York stream today is going to be back to regular time, right? So back to 1 o'clock start because, well, yeah, there's no reason for me to start early today. How are we going to close here? This is very interesting because, yeah, you are now making essentially bearish market structure, right? You've come down, made a low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Now you made another lower low just here. This could be now your lower high just to continue back down, right? Like, realistically, yes, we're in a range between these two, but there's nothing from telling you this doesn't just continue down here. So, chat, with that being said, can we start to lock it in here? 2 minutes to the close. I think depending on how you close, if you close bearish on the 1 hour like this, but leave a bottom wick, we could look to take some sales to continue down after a top wick. Otherwise, chat, you close this bearish and then come down first. I'll probably wait until New York. So realistically, I want to see like a bottom wick being left on this candle. 4 hour opens up top wick first and then flips, and we'll be in there like swimwear. Should you make gold do something? Bro. I wish, bro. I wish I had that magic power. You know, it'd be sick if you could just see like 5 minutes into the future. Be the best scalp trader ever. We need is literally a 5-minute window into the future. You see, alright, in 5 minutes, gold's gonna be at 27.43. Okay, chill. Take a buy right now. Loose stops. And just wait. Print infinite money. You are actually ripping here. Well, not really ripping, but you are just continuously driving, right? I mean, the volume's pretty low, but doing that thing where gold continuously trickles down. But look, you have 25 seconds here to the 4-hour close. How are you going to close here? If this is no... Bro. This is no bottom wick. I'm probably going to be done. Interesting, chat. And you get a top wick now. And we get a top wick. Please. Or we're just going to sit still. And just not even move slightly. Yeah, we're actually frozen in time right now. How big is this wick feel? 10 pips, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Chat, can you come up here? As long as you can tap into like 2740, you should be good. Like 40.5, right? Not 40. Need a top wick here, chat. Reason why I need a top wick is because the 4-hour close actually bullish, kind of above the range too. So even though the 1-hour close bearish, right, this could still just push up at any point. Technically, you could have a level here, right, for the 4-hour. And it looks like you closed above, but with the way that we're pushing, it looks as if we're making, you know, lower lows and lower highs here. So not really much I can do, chat, to be honest. Yeah, you broke the low. I don't like buys here at all, to be honest. I'm really not a big fan. Do you know what the results of the elections? Tomorrow, bro. I don't know when. Every time frame tells a different story. Yeah, bro, exactly. I really do not like that. That's really not what you want. I'm not gonna lie, I think I might call it here until New York. I think I might call it. I don't like this. Too indecisive for me. Because this could just rip down all the way down to 27.31, but it could push all the way back up, right? So, yeah, I can't grab anything here. Chat, listen, if you are going to dip off though, make sure you drop a like if you haven't already. Try to get to 50 likes on today's stream. We're also coming up super close towards 5k subs. What are we at now? We're at like, I don't know, 4,930, bro. We're literally 69 subs off. Oh, crazy. 69 subs off 5k. So, listen, yeah, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Look, we'll play the pixel letters right now. And yeah, we'll be back for New York at the same time as normal. Locked in, ready to go. What's good, that Leche? Right, chat. What's good, Mark? The elections are today, bro, but the results come out tomorrow. Like, the voting is today, you know? No trading tomorrow? I don't know, we can trade. I think by the time we get on, the results will probably be out. Yeah, what's this word? Never traded elections again? Yeah, me neither, bro. Me neither. We're gonna do trial by fire here. We're gonna learn as we go. Someone help me with this word. Bro, what What is this? Twist. Yeah, good shit, Matt. Valid guess. Like, you guys gotta just throw answers at me, right? A. E. Hmm. Can also be a G. Yeah. I know it can't be a G. Wait, so this one has AD. Whoa. Final one, chat. What's good, Dion? How you doing, bro? Oh my days. What are you doing, bro? What do you mean, what am I doing? What's good, Shazan? We always play this game to finish off the stream, man. I got no positions today. Blitz? No, it can't be that. Lighty? Blitz? Wait, what is this? Blitz? Yeah, that's actually a shout. Yeah, good guess, bro. Insane. Blitzkrieg, you know? Alright, man. Chat, that's going to be it from me for London session. Obviously, I'll be back in about 2 hours' time, 3 hours' time for New York session. So listen, lock in today. It's election day. It's going to be a big one. Make sure you're there. Be there or be square. We connect through Insta. Yeah, just DM me on Instagram. It's @trendlines. And look, chat, have a great one. Peace out. Much love. Bye-bye, man. See you later. We're going to win so much. You're going to get tired of winning.